What's up guys, Skyter here and welcome to my new video. So here you can see my two beautiful iPhones. So in this video we will find out, can gold protect an iPhone for a normal shoulder height drop test? Yeah, sorry for the broken screen, but it's not too important for the test. So take the gold foils on the screen of the iPhone, so tipping this on the screen. Yeah, so I took 6 pieces of this gold foils on the screen and we are ready for the drop test. So guys, ready, so let's drop the phone. Yeah, that sounds really pretty good. So look what happened, so yes, you can see the screen is really broken, really shattered completely. So yeah, gold can protect an iPhone for a shoulder height drop test. Yeah. So guys, this was my new video. I hope you enjoyed that and please subscribe and like or share my video. Yes, I thank you for watching. Thank you.